Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Instagram notes. Download and open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Log in or sign up using your account on Instagram. Go to your chats by tapping on the messenger icon shown at the top. It will open your messages and you can see the notes on the upper area. You can also use the camera to capture the moment to use as a note. If you don't have this feature in your account, you can go to the App Store or Google Play. Search for Instagram and update it if it is showing the option to update. It is because notes are the new feature that Instagram has launched, so the updated Instagram will show it. If you have updated Instagram and still not showing the notes, make your Instagram a professional account. In your Instagram profile, tap on the three lines shown at the top and go to Settings and Activity. Scroll down and look for account types and tools. Here you can switch your account to a professional account. Another method is to go to the Help option, which is again located in Settings and Activity. Report your problem here and send it. Instagram will help you solve this. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.